What is up, y'all? Crustless Crypto here, back with another video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We're at almost 800 subscribers, guys. We got one more to go. I'm back. Just got back from Florida. Beautiful place. Got to hit the beach and all that good stuff. Back in here and make some more videos for you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. I do have a website, crustlesscrypto.com. Be sure to check that out. I am working some of the kinks and bugs on here, but if you want to look at my blog post and get up to date with anything kind of news in the crypto space, be sure to check it out. I also have a Twitter. Make sure you guys are following me on Twitter as well. It's Crustless Crypto. I have the links in the description and comment section down below. So guys, I don't know if you guys are tracking what's going on in the market right now. As you can see, nothing too crazy, but our favorite coin that I always love to talk about, it's actually going up today, and let's see exactly how much it's going up by. So Elrond's sitting at $166. It's having a huge pump right now of 20%. I'm going to talk about why this is the case. I'm going to go over some up-to-date articles here that I've kind of missed out over the weeks. But EGLD is doing very well. It's up 20% today compared to the rest of the markets. Moved up in the ranking. It's around 44. This is amazing. This is huge. I love to see growth. And as we all know, last month it was sitting around $79. So if you had put in your money, you've already doubled it from last month. So that's huge, huge profit, guys. Now, let's talk about exactly what's going on with EGLD. So last week, if you guys are not aware, these are the many different things that happened, and I wasn't really staying up to date. I had some business I had to take care of, so we're going to go through it together. So last week in EGLD, Elrond integrated by neobanking platforms. So neobanking is going to be integrating EGLD and ESDT tokens onto their ecosystem and their platform, right? Just like the article says. But we're going to look into that as well. I did pull the article up. We'll get into that in a second. They have the Benga app live on the mainnet via Effort Economy. So I don't know if that's a gaming. I see a little gaming controller there. I don't know if it's a gaming app, but that's cool. They're already releasing apps on the mainnet, guys. So that's huge. We have a new Elrond launchpad, Chain Boost by Chain Guardian. So we have another launchpad, guys. Another launchpad. This is awesome. It just seems like there's news always coming out, you know, and that's what I enjoy. So let's continue here further. The first state-sharded architecture, live smart contracts, tokens, NFTs, and smart accounts, secured by cap supply EGLD store of value, operating on a vast and powerful network of geographically dispersed validator nodes and decentralized at the internet scale. It's time to build, as always, guys. So let's read some more here. Build smart contracts with no code with MyWish platform. They have another staking provider, Audit One by Persistención. And milestones, guys, we have 723,000 accounts, 7.5 million transactions, and over 12 million EGLD staked. And that's not dollars, that's EGLD. So 12.06 million times 166. I mean, we're looking at around pretty much majority of the market cap, at least a billion, 1.5 billion. I don't have the math in my head right now, but awesome news. Last week we had a lot of updates. We're going to be looking at one of them, just like I stated earlier, and that's going to be the neobanking platform. So accelerating adoption, Elrond, EGLD, and ESDT tokens to be fully integrated into the AI-powered DeFi and asset management neobanking platform Blockbank app. So let's take a read in here and see exactly what's going on. We have started a collaboration with Blockbank, and an artificial intelligence powered platform designed to enhance traditional mobile banking with seamless crypto integration. Blockbank's application is designed for professional traders and new retail market participants, and will have a new version arriving this year. The app has four main components: a centralized custodial wallet, a non-custodial Web 3.0 wallet, banking, and an AI-powered robo-advisor. EGLD and ESDT assets issued on the Elrond network will be available in V2 of the Blockbank application, eventually enabling users to stake tokens and access DeFi products running on the Elrond network. So again, guys, we have another avenue where you're able to get in touch with the Elrond network. I mean, this Blockbank application, and as you can see here, you can do all kinds of different things with it, many different features. But as Benjamin Minku quotes, the integration of EGLD and other Elrond tokenized assets in the robust and intuitive Blockbank app is another significant growth vector for easy access to blockchain innovation operating at internet scale. And then Elrond combines great technology with an asset that acts as a strong store of value in a vast partner network. Let me repeat that again, guys. That's super powerful. Elrond combines great technology with an asset that acts as a strong store of value and a vast partner network. I mean, guys, Elrond is, people are calling it Ethereum 2.0, people are calling it Ethereum 3.0. The potential for technology is huge, and the capabilities that the Elrond network has for the blockchain space is immense, and it speaks for itself. So its integration into our ecosystem is an event of strategic importance for the expansion of the Blockbank suite of innovative DeFi services. And this is from Darren Francescini as a co-founder of Blockbank, guys. So awesome update. If we go on their website here and take a look at exactly, what they're offering, and they have their own article here, and I'm curious to see, where this app goes. Now, obviously, they do have their own token, and it's through PancakeSwap. So a lot of things are still in the early stages, but it's good to see Elrond just getting that massive publicity, right, and partnerships as always. I mean, that's a given. So awesome updates there. And then we have another update just came out fresh 4 hours ago. Important step forward today. Elrond EGLD is now fully integrated with leading digital custody provider Copper HQ, and Copper is used by 40 exchanges and 300 institutional asset managers who can now integrate Elrond technology and assets. So if we take a look at this and see what it reads here. So secure and compliant custody for EGLD and Elrond assets. And we're excited to announce that EGLD and tokenized assets issued on the Elrond network can now be safeguarded using Copper's asset custody and secure settlement services. So a little bit of insurance coming EGLD's way. I'll read the article in a minute. I just want to look at their website. So digital assets for trading firms, safeguard and trade infrastructure for pioneering institutions. So pretty extensive, and as you can see here, it has a lot of different partners and collaborators. So in terms of insurance, right, we talk about it all the time. People want to protect their money, their assets, their investments. The more collaborations that a blockchain has with various services such as Copper, I mean, it just makes it a lot more credible and a lot more less risky, a lot less risky than, traditional, coins. So continuing here, Copper's multi-award winning custody solution harnesses the security of MPC, which stands for multi-party computation technology. Their services and technology are tried and tested across 250 digital assets, more than 40 exchanges, and in use by more than 300 institutional asset managers. Through the collaboration, the two partners will create the opportunity for institutional players, fund managers, exchanges, trading avenues, and other market actors to get safe, secure, and compliant access to the enterprise-ready capabilities of the high-throughput, low-cost, carbon-negative Elrond network blockchain technology. Guys, this is what they want to be known as. They want to be known as a high-throughput, low-cost, carbon-negative Elrond network blockchain technology. And EGLD, the digital currency underpinning it. So, pretty awesome. They want to go for those big boys, those big boys that have either the millions or billions of dollars. I don't know if you guys are aware, there was a whale alert that purchased a lot of EGLD recently. Let me see if I can bring that tweet up. So yeah, super fail, couldn't find it. If somebody knows where that tweet or link is, please comment down below. But I do know for a fact someone bought a shit ton of EGLD. So it just shows that, hey guys, this is an accumulation phase. We do have a nice little pump right now, and I'm looking forward to where it's going to go from here. Lastly, I just want to show you guys some tweets that I've kind of came across just to kind of give you some food for thought, right? So this is coming from Steven is me name. Follow him if you want. Mark this. Elrond Network is going to continue to climb the ranks. 44 on coin market cap. This is primed to move up into the top 20, top 10, and even the top 5. Massive growth is coming, and market cap is only $3 billion, man. The market cap is so undervalued right now, this coin, that it's not even up there. And once this thing hits in the $10 billion range, even $15 billion, we're going to be sitting on a lot of worth and a lot of value, guys. And I can't wait for that day to happen. Just give Elrond some time to keep working and doing what it's doing its best. Also, Crypto with James did a fantastic video on Elrond. His price prediction for Elrond is going to be $3,000 a coin. So make sure you guys check him out. Crypto with James, solid dude. He's actually blown up in subscribers recently. So make sure you check him out. He has a lot of good information on crypto in general. But it just shows, man. And this is when the price was 141. This was a couple days ago. So please keep this in mind, guys, that patience is a virtue. Eventually, patience will pay off immensely. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I want to know what you guys think about these articles and these updates that's coming out in the Elrond space. I love you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. We're almost at that $1,000 mark. We'll be doing a $50 to $100 EGLD giveaway. So make sure you guys support the channel. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys have a great one.